Hey, can't watch your TikTok videos in full screen or your full screen option just disappeared? Don't worry, so in this video, I will show you how to get your TikTok video back to full screen again and make everything work perfectly. So first from your TikTok, the thing you have to check in your device is screen rotation. So swipe down from the top and make sure auto rotate or rotation lock is turned off. Next, you have to close your TikTok completely and open it again. Sometimes the app just needs a quick restart to reset the view. But if it still doesn't show full screen, you have to go to your app store, then search for TikTok and make sure they have any update available. Because keeping the latest version helps fix most display bugs. But if that doesn't help much and you're still seeing the same screen issue, that means your video was uploaded in the wrong ratio. To make sure your TikTok video always appears in full screen, you need to upload them properly in full view format. So open up your TikTok app and go to your profile. Now to post a full screen video, tap the plus icon at the bottom, then select the video you want to upload from your gallery. So if the video is in landscape mode, and you want it to appear full screen, just tap next, then tap the edit icon. Now swipe left until you see the rotate option. And then rotate your video by 90 degrees. After that, tap the arrow icon to continue and post it to TikTok. And once it's uploaded, you will see your video now appears in full screen view, but remember, if you try to manually stretch a landscape video into full screen, viewers will need to rotate their phone, which is actually annoying. So this is the correct and easiest way to make your TikTok video show in full screen mode. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.